Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how can you add the fade in and fade out in your videos using CapCut in two different ways. The first one is a little bit advanced and the second one is very easy to do. So follow up with me till the very end and let's jump right into it. First, open Play Store or App Store and let's make sure we have the CapCut app updated or at least have one of the newer versions. Finally, you can go ahead and open CapCut. Now add your video from here. Select the video you want to add the fade in and tap on add in the bottom right corner once you make up your mind. And here is our video. Let's start with adding a fade in. Tap on the video to select it and then swipe in these options in the bottom and find opacity. Tap on it and decrease it to 0. Now add a keyframe at the beginning of the fade in. Now drag to the end of the fade in and add another keyframe there, and then this time increase the opacity to 100. Let's check out the results. Here is our fade in, guys. Now let's go ahead and take care of the fade out. Go to the end of the video, add a keyframe here, and then drag to the end of the video. This time go ahead and decrease the opacity to 0 again, and let's check out the results again. Just like that, as you can see, guys, the fade out is applied successfully. Now that was the advanced method. Let's check out the simple method. Just go ahead and reverse all these actions and let's go ahead and start with a new video. Basically, there is nothing applied to this video yet. Tap on the video to select it and then select animations in the bottom right here. You find under the in section the fade in, the very first option. Tap on it. And as you can see here, you can increase the duration of the fade in very easily without any advanced options like the first one. Now tap on out and let's take care of the fade out. Same method, just drag from the bottom to control the duration. As you can see, guys, very easy to do. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Leave your comments and questions in the comment section. I'll try to answer every single one of them. And of course, subscribe to the channel. And thank you very much for watching. See you in the next one.